In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Runway Gen 3. If you're just getting started with Runway or you're curious about the Gen 3 video model, this walkthrough will help you set it up quickly and confidently so you can focus on the creative part. Once you're inside Runway, look to the left side of your screen for the main tool panel. This sidebar is where you access the features you'll use most often. At the very bottom of that panel, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you choose which video model you want to work with. It can be easy to miss if you're new to the interface, so take a second to scroll down and spot that selector. Go ahead and click that drop-down and choose Gen 3. Selecting the right model matters because each version is trained to handle motion, style, and visual fidelity a bit differently. Gen 3 is designed to deliver more nuanced motion and clearer details, especially when you're aiming for realistic dynamics or more precise stylistic control. If you don't immediately see Gen 3 listed, make sure you're in the correct video tool and that your workspace is up to date. With Gen 3 selected, you're ready to bring in your source. Upload your image or your shot. The platform supports common formats, and higher resolution, well-lit visuals generally produce better guidance for the model. You can drag and drop your file into the upload area, or use the upload button if that's more comfortable. Keep your subject clear in the frame and avoid heavy compression or watermarks that might distract from the main elements you want the model to follow. Next, enter your prompt describing what you want to generate. Think of the prompt as creative direction for Gen 3. Be specific about the subject, setting, mood, and motion. For example, mention the lighting style, time of day, the look you're after, cinematic, documentary, stylized, and any movement you want to see, like a slow push-in, a handheld feel, or a sweeping pan. Short, clear sentences often work better than long, complicated paragraphs. If you're using an image or a short clip as your base, describe how you want it to evolve, the pace of motion, the atmosphere, and the visual texture. That's the core workflow. Select the Gen 3 model from the drop-down at the bottom of the left sidebar. Upload your image or shot, and enter a thoughtful prompt to guide the generation. Stay concise, be intentional with your language, and let Gen 3 handle the heavy lifting. And there you go, simple, direct, and ready for your next creative idea.